हेलो स्टूडेंट, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. व्हाट इज फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट? सी वी हैव दिस डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब. इन दिस डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब वी हैव two metal surface. One is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, other is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So this metal surface is replaced by detector. Okay, these both metal surfaces are connected by negative terminal of the battery and positive terminal of the battery. When a light of suitable frequency, जब कोई लाइट जिसकी सुटेबल फ्रीक्वेंसी हो स्ट्राइक ऑन द मेटल सरफेस, देन सम इलेक्ट्रॉन आर रिलीज्ड, सम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इजेक्टेड. इन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को बोलते हैं हम फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, और दिस इफेक्ट इज कॉल्ड फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. लाइट रेज की हमें मालूम है या रेडिएशन की कोई फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है. लाइट रेज की ऐसी फ्रीक्वेंसी जिससे नीचे इसमें से कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन निकले ही नहीं. लाइट रेज की ऐसी फ्रीक्वेंसी को कहते हैं थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी. इसलिए हमें लाइट रेज की ऐसी फ्रीक्वेंसी लेनी पड़ेगी, ऐसी रेडिएशन लेनी पड़ेगी जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी से ज़्यादा हो. जब लाइट रेज जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी से ज़्यादा हो वो मेटल की सरफेस पे टकराती हैं तो कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन निकलते हैं. उन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को कहते हैं फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो दिस tube is called evacuator tube. When radiation with frequency greater than a certain minimum frequency nu naught strike the surface of metal, the electrons are ejected from the surface of metal. This phenomena is called photoelectric effect and the ejected electrons are called photoelectrons. Now there are various important facts of photoelectric effect. The radiation, I told, the electrons are ejected only if the radiation striking the surface of the metal has frequency greater than a minimum frequency. That symbol of the minimum frequency is nu naught. The minimum frequency below which no electrons are ejected are called threshold frequency. For example, if threshold frequency is 20 Hz, so if light rays whose frequency are less than 20 Hz, then metal surface will not release any electron and no photoelectric effect will be taken place. Okay, other points are the velocity of the electron ejected depend upon the frequency of incident radiation. If the frequency of radiation is more, then the velocity of release electron will also be more. Number of photoelectrons, the number of electron ejected is directly proportional to intensity of incident radiation. Intensity means more and more radiation are striking on a particular surface in a particular centimeter square or meter square. Minimum energy, what is minimum energy? Above which the electron is ejected is called work function. Symbol of work function is W naught. What is W naught? W naught is always equal to H is a Planck constant, nu naught is a threshold frequency. When threshold frequency multiply with the Planck constant, we will get an energy that is called work function, and this is the minimum energy above which electron is removed from the metal surface. One more theory is Planck quantum theory. What is Planck quantum theory? They are saying that radiant energy is emitted or absorbed not continuously. Like electromagnetic wave theory, they told that radiant energy is emitted or absorbed continuously. But this theory is saying radiant energy is emitted or absorbed not continuously but discontinuously. लगातार नहीं आती energy. And this energy will come in the form of small packets of energy. Each packet of energy is called quantum in case of light, and the energy of the packet is called photon. So there are various photon which will come and strike on the metal surface. Energy of each photon or each quantum, energy of each quantum is directly proportional to frequency of radiation. E directly proportional to nu. On the place of directly proportional, I'll write equal and a sign of constant, that is called Planck constant. The value of Planck constant H is equal to 6.626 multiply 10 raised to power minus 34 joule per second. Okay, so this is the formula, E is equal to h nu. Next point of this theory, the total amount of energy emitted or absorbed by a body will be equal to n h nu. E is equal to n h nu. E means any integer which can be, the value of n is equal to 1 photon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. H nu is energy of photon. Value of n will decide that how many photons are there. For example, we have a formula, h nu minus h nu naught is equal to half mv square. H nu is equal to 100 total energy. H nu naught is the energy which is required to remove the electron from metal surface, or you can say this value is called work function. This h nu naught is work function W naught. This is h nu is total energy. Suppose total energy is 100 और इलेक्ट्रॉन को निकालने के लिए एनर्जी चाहिए 70. सो आउट ऑफ 100, 70 एनर्जी इज यूज्ड टू रिमूव द इलेक्ट्रॉन, 30 एनर्जी इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. दिस एनर्जी विल बी यूज्ड बाय द इलेक्ट्रॉन फॉर देयर मोशन विच इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो 100 एनर्जी है एच न्यू, 70 एनर्जी इज एच न्यू नॉट और डब्ल्यू नॉट, एंड दिस 30 एनर्जी जो पीछे रह गई है, दिस इज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो टोटल एनर्जी माइनस energy required to remove electron is equal to kinetic energy of the electron. So from this we will get this equation, h nu is equal to nu naught. Nu naught minus का इधर चला जाएगा, h nu is equal to nu naught plus half mv square. This equation is called Einstein photoelectric equation. Now one question is given, calculate the energy of 1 mole of photon of radiation whose frequency is 5 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz. So they have asked about the energy of 1 mole of photon. Energy of 1 photon is equal to n h nu. Value of n is 1. So 1 into h nu. H value is given 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. Nu is, they have given 5 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz. Hertz is 1 by second. Second will be cut by the second. Then energy of 1 photon will be this. Then they ask energy of 1 mole of photon. 1 mole means 1 mole into 1 photon. 1 mole is equal to this value. H nu already we have find out this value. Say both will multiply, we will get 19951 joule per mole. This will be divided by 19.951 kilojoule per mole. So homework is 2-7 question of page 22 and 23. Problem for practice 1-8 page 23. NCERT 2.8, 2.9, 2.10, 2.11, 2.47, 2.48, 2.49, 2.50, 2.51, 2.53, 2.54. These all questions are related to this topic. These are very important. Okay, thank you.